Good morning, everyone. This is Simple Trade. Today is July 28th, 2021. We are almost an hour into the market open. We're seeing very strong rising in growth stocks. We're seeing like very strangely, like some of the Chinese stocks, Li, XPEV, or NIO, they were so damaged yesterday, but today it got strong upward momentum. Well, I think people still have this, buy the dip mentality where they just chase whatever is dropping the most. They almost believe that it's bound to have a bounce back. So I would view this 8% increase today as just a bounce back. It's not meaning that the trend is reversed. I mean, it's still not clear how Chinese government will continue its policy. It's still unclear how long it's going to affect the U.S. investors and U.S. listed Chinese companies. It's not sure. So if you have a chance to, to get out, it's not going to be too late. This line of support, like around $38, is very critical. Most people will just get out when it bounces back at this level. And we can only see a reversal if we continue to see large transaction volume and the stock goes above this $38 level. Same for NIO. So same, it's hard to get over the previous support line, which is this line. And if you don't get above that, this line will be a pressure line. So the best option for you now, I think, is to decrease some of your positions at this level and wait it to go maybe down further. So QuantumScape reported earning. It looks like a blowout earning. The stock is up a lot, more than 10%. And also we're seeing like Nikola and marijuana growth stocks, EV growth stocks, Open Door, Fisker, Wish, Alibaba, Chewy, Palantir. Looks like these stocks are all having a strong momentum now. I'm not sure if it's because the money is coming out of the big FANG names since they just reported earnings and they are gradually flowing into the small cap growth stocks. I'm not sure that's a possibility. Yeah. So I'm going to continue to watch these small cap growth stocks to see if they can hold their support line pretty well or if they can just have a reversal right around here, because from these charts we see that for charge point, I mean $20 and $22, these ranges has been proven to be a pretty good buying point. So I'm not sure if people have been pouring money into this stock these days. We do see some strong transaction volumes here. If we look at the cost distribution, yeah, that's right around where people put their money into, right around $22. So I think if you want to start positioning yourself into these growth stocks, I think it's possible, but you would have to start with a small position, because we still see a lot of selling pressures because many people are trapped in this downfall. So you would maybe start a small position. If it drops down further, you can add more. But also be aware that if you see the stock falling below this support line, you would have to cut your loss and get out. This support line is holding pretty well, just below this big green candlestick with large volume. So this is, from a technical standpoint, this is a pretty strong support line. Yes. Other stocks, let's see, Tesla, slightly starting off after earnings, but today we see some good amount of buying powers here. The stock price has been in this squeezing wedge for a very, very long time. It's not clear how it's going to break out, but I think if you want to play this, you would have to have a very good discipline. If the stock, goes below this line, 628, you would have to cut your loss. Yes, since this line has previously been a pressure line, but now it's been a support line. And the new pressure line has moved up to around $700. So we will see when it goes above that. A more safer play is to get into this stock after it breaks out above 700. that'd be a safer play. But I mean, nobody's stopping you from buying it now, right? Other growth stocks, they pretty much show very good momentum today. Let's see what's lagging. Financial, industrials, home builders, travel stocks, these are showing pressure. And some cyclical names, consumer staple names, oil, energy, they are all showing some weakness. So I think the money is still concentrated on these big tech and even small cap tech growth companies. And yeah, so let's see how it plays out. Today is the day where Fed is going to announce the short-term interest rate, and nothing expected to change. And tomorrow, I believe there is GDP number, so maybe the market will become more volatile. Let's see how it plays out. Thank you for watching.